Hi guys, in this video we talk about the OnePlus Ace 3 versus OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $700 and the OnePlus Ace 3 launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $500. The dimension is same and the weight of the devices. The OnePlus 12 come with 220 gram and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 207 gram and the build the OnePlus 12 and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with front and back glass and aluminium frame and both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display of these devices, the both devices come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color type display and the screen size. The OnePlus 12 come with 6.82 inches and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 6.78 inches and the resolution. The OnePlus 12 come with 2K screen resolution and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 1.5K resolution and the PPI dynasty. The OnePlus 12 come with 510 PPI dynasty and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 450. The refresh rate, the OnePlus 12 and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 120Hz refresh rate and the screen to body ratio. The OnePlus 12 come with 91.3% of screen to body ratio and OnePlus Ace 3 come with 90.9% ratio and the protection. The both devices come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the screen brightness. The OnePlus 12 and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup of these devices. The OnePlus 12 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto and it records 8K 30 FPS video with Hasselblad color calibration. And the OnePlus Ace 3 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro and it records 4K 60 FPS video. Let's go to the selfie camera. The OnePlus 12 come with 32 megapixel of front camera and 4K 30 FPS video record and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 16 megapixel of selfie camera and 1080p 30 FPS video record. And the platform of the devices, the OnePlus 12 comes with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with octa-core Cortex X3 and the chipset. The OnePlus 12 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset. The OnePlus 12 come with Android 750 GPU and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with Android 740 GPU and the both devices come with Android 14 operating system. Let's talk about the memory of these mobiles. The OnePlus 12 come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage is same in both devices, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. And the battery setup of these mobiles, the Google Pixel 8 Pro, 12 Pro, the OnePlus 12 come with 5400 mAh battery and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 5500 mAh battery and the both mobile come with 100 watt fast charging and OnePlus 12 only 50 watt wireless charging supported and the both devices come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same but the OnePlus 12 have IP68 5 rating and the result of the device, the OnePlus 12 got 26 points and the OnePlus Ace 3 got 17 points.
Never stop.